It's tasting good, man. Making some pho in Berlin. What's your earliest memory of pho?
That I didn't like it.
Really?
No kid likes pho. Super boring. I think it actually hits you when you actually move away. And then you start missing it. And when you start cooking by yourself, you start appreciating like the work that goes into the broth.
Once you move away, you appreciate it. Do most Vietnamese kids, or at least in East Germany, I guess all your pho is like homemade. Like you don't go to the, right? So this is like your chicken soup.
What's your
Like
chicken
for
soup
like,
for you?
for me, soup is synonymous, especially chicken soup with my mom. She makes other soups too, but there's always homemade chicken soup, and it's still my favorite chicken soup in the world. And it's just really like, when I have my mom's soup, I feel, I don't know, like warm and connected, and you know? So it's like
That's
that.
like your chicken soup, yeah.
Who are you taking a photo for?
My mom.
Is she proud of you when you cook Vietnamese?
I don't know. It doesn't matter if she's proud. But she wants to get like updates, you know, just to know what I'm doing in my life. That makes her happy.